Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the launcher settings immediately. Long press any blank spot on your home screen to reveal options. Once the menu appears, choose Home Settings or the Small Settings gear because that's where the feed control lives. Make sure you identify the label, Google Feed, Discover, or News, since manufacturers name it differently. When you see the toggle, pause and confirm which screen it controls, and then prepare to turn that option off so the feed stops appearing. Now you disable the feed directly. Flip the Google Feed or Discover toggle to off, and that removes the panel from the leftmost home page. If your launcher lacks that toggle, open the Google app, tap More, go to Settings then General, and switch off Discover. This also stops the feed. Once done, make sure to back out fully to the home screen, because some devices need a restart of the launcher or phone to refresh the layout and confirm the change. Finish by verifying the change. Swipe to the leftmost home page to confirm the feed is gone, and test by opening apps and returning to home. If it reappears, clear the Google App Cache or temporarily disable the Google app in Settings to see if that stops it. Make sure to back up your home layout before making big changes. If all else fails, install or switch to a different launcher. This is a reliable last resort to remove the news feed for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.